Today at Harp N Guitar, we're going to be looking at the old Buddy Holly classic, Not Fade Away. But we'll be concentrating on the Rolling Stones version from the England's newest hitmakers album. So looking at the intro, song's in the key of E. We'll start off with E, goes to A. Okay, so we got E and A. And we got 4 shots and it repeats. And first shot is E, and that's on the first beat. And we'll strum it, and then we'll give it a palm mute. And then we'll do A, which is on the third beat. And we'll let that one ring out. And then we'll do 2 more E's on the second and third beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll palm mute those, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now what we need to add to these is just little anticipation 16th upstrokes. Right? So we just give it, instead of just 1, we'll catch it just before that. And we'll do that on the A as well. And then on the next E, we'll do the same thing. Right? Into the song. So looking at the rhythm guitar part for our song here, we're in the key of E, and we couple that with an A, and we also have A with a D. Okay, so we got E and A. Now, so this whole rhythm is built on, we got like 5 shots that occur over 2 bars of music. So we got down, up, down, down, down. So that 4th shot was, we went to A. But that's our 4th and 5th shots, depending where we are in the song, is going to change. But right now we'll just do that 4th shot being the A. So down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So we got this 16th note rhythm happening with our strumming hand. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and so down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So when we're doing this now, when we get the rhythm to it, we gotta get our muting down. So we want to, if we're not actually strumming the note, if it's not one of our shots, then we want our chording hand to be muting our strings, right? So it's when we hit the shots, that's when we want to fret the chord. And we're doing the same thing, palm muting on our strings here. So on the shots, we let that ring a bit, but then we'll palm mute that. Otherwise, it's just muting on those strings. So it's a combination of muting and fretting and palm muting with your strumming hand. Strumming hand and fretting hand working together. So if we're going to count this out for those theorists that want to know exactly where we're happening on this, we start on the 1, E, and A. So we come on the A of 1, so 1 E and A, 2 E, and the and of 2, and then the and of 3, 4. 1 E and A, 2 E, and 3 E, and 4. 1 E and A, 2 E, and 3 E, and 4. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, so let's do the same thing, but let's do this. We go to A, and we throw the D on that 4th shot. 1 E and A, 2 E, and a 3 E, and 4. Down, up, down, down, down. Go back to the E. Okay, so I was saying how the progression changes a little bit, what happens on that fourth and fifth shot. Sometimes when we're in the E position here, we'll put the A on the fourth beat or the fourth shot. But when we're in the middle of a chorus or a middle of a verse, we're going to put that A on the fifth shot. So I'm going to tell you how it's gonna be. I'm going to put that when I'm going to the A, about to go to the A, I'm going to put that A on that fifth shot rather than the fourth shot. But if I'm just kind of comping in between verses, I'll put the A on the fourth shot. Down, up, down, down, down. All right, that's the rhythm. All right, so looking at the guitar solo here, when we go to the guitar solo, we're going to go to A. We're going to be on our 4 chord. So we're going to be A. So we're going to need to play the chord A, but we're going to play that up the neck here on our 9th fret. All right, so if we put a little bar on our 9th fret on those first 3 strings, and we don't want to only be playing the 3 strings during this. So first 3 strings there, we'll bar that. And we'll take our 2nd finger, put it on the 2nd string in the 10th fret. Okay, so that's A. Then we want to play D, so we're going to move it up 1 more fret. So we're going to put our bar here on the 10th fret and our 2nd finger on the 3rd string. That's D. So A. So this A here was like a D chord. If we take our D back here and we put a bar on that 2nd fret and put our 2nd finger on that 2nd string and that 3rd fret, that's D. But we move it up here to the 9th fret, it's A. Now this bar chord in our 10th fret is just like an extension, or it's the upper part of our D bar chord. So it's our E-shaped bar chord all the way up on the 10th fret is D, but we only play the first 3 strings. So it is there. All right, so here we go. So we got this rhythm. Down, up, down, up, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, down. Then we go to play, we're going to comp this, then we get the rhythm where the harmonica is, and we're going to play A, our shots, A, D, A, and we do it here. Or you can do it here. I do believe Keith does it here. So this is just our A bar chord. Our D bar chord. And then we go to E, and we're going to play this same solo that we were playing up here. We're going to play this down on our 4th fret. Alright, so after this, our harmonica E and A. So here's E, here's A. Okay, so if we do this whole thing slowly, we'll come up here, start up here.
how it's gonna be.